Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixAdventures. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you one of the fastest ways to cut up a melon. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So this is a very easy way to cut up a melon that's fast. Now I'm going to be using a cantaloupe melon, and this one is actually kind of small. So first I'm going to cut off both the ends, just like this, and kind of make a flat edge. So let's rotate around. Cut this side now. And then put it on the side, just like this. And you're going to shear down the sides of the melon. Just like this. Let's just go all the way around. So I think this is my preferred way of cutting up a melon. Okay, and you might have a little bit left on the bottom here if you don't cut it so tight. So you can just trim this off. It's not too bad. Alright, so now that I have everything trimmed off, I'm going to cut it right down the middle. Just like this. Then take your spoon and scoop out the seeds. Now from here it can be a little bit more of a preference depending on how you want to chop it up and what kind of sizes you're looking for. I typically don't mind if they are a little bit larger chunks, so I just try to chop it up in a little bit larger chunks for that reason. So even like something like this wouldn't bother me. So this way it really doesn't take very long, and I typically can cut up a melon in around 3 minutes. So hopefully this video did indeed give you an idea of how to cut your melon, and subscribe to my channel down below for more random videos coming up next on YourSixAdventures.